I got it. Gently. Here. Again. When he does that, I don't have him. You recording?
Yeah.
Birdie? Oh, he flew right to the thing. Here, you record. Hold on.
I got
Little booger. I'm gonna get her. Alright. Ready for this? No, Birdie. Birdie. Come on, you can do it. Fly. 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 Hold on, let him take some real quick. Fly. Tilt your thing forward. Arm, not thing.
You weren't going to that. Don't even think about it.
Good boy. Hold on, he needs to get a little bit now. Eat a little bit.
See?
See, this means good thing. Let him fly. How about I put the thing up here? And like go all the way on that side of the room. Or not all the way. Like right there. Because we don't want him to fly up there. Come here. Fly.
Okay. Yeah, see that? Why don't you hold this now? Oh, I can grab him. Come here.
Laura to the rescue.
Again.
Yeah, it's like the 5th time it's happened.
Hey.
Alright, come closer now. Good boy for getting down. Have some. He's not interested in this, so I'm gonna hold him.
Pick. Yep. Hold on. Yeah.
He always flies like right on your dad.
Your little fishies.
You're obsessed with my fish.
One's at the bottom. Just.
Yeah, because the other one won't let it go to the top.
Aww. And little guinea pigs. That one's Spaz, and that one's Mama, Victoria.
You named it Victoria?
Yeah, my mom did. Let me see.
Hold on. I have him in a comfortable position. He loves being held like this. Except when he bites. I'm gonna put him on my shoulder.
Okay.
My finger. And now fly to the cage. Fly. Fly. You know you're going to. I'm not stupid.
Oh, stupid bird.
Alright, we're gonna stop recording, so cut.
Much.